second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust.
Introducing the highly anticipated 2024 Nissan X-Trail, the epitome of high-tech sophistication in the midsize SUV segment. This flagship model, also known as the Rogue in certain markets, has undergone a stunning facelift, pushing the boundaries of style, performance, and technology. As the camera pans over its redesigned exterior, you'll notice the bold lines and muscular curves that give the X-Trail a commanding presence on the road. The updated front grille and striking LED headlights contribute to a modern and dynamic look, setting it apart as a true standout in its class.
Time waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix.
Beneath the hood, the 2024 X-Trail boasts a range of powerful yet fuel-efficient engine options. Whether you opt for the responsive petrol engines or the torquey hybrid variants, the X-Trail delivers a performance that's as thrilling as it is efficient. The intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction and stability, allowing you to confidently navigate a variety of terrains. This SUV is not just about transportation, it's about an exhilarating driving experience that elevates every journey.
I'll stay by your side. It's you.
Step inside, and you'll be immersed in a high-tech oasis. The X-Trail's interior has been meticulously crafted to provide a perfect blend of comfort and connectivity. Premium materials, ambient lighting, and spacious seating create an inviting atmosphere, while the advanced infotainment system and digital instrument cluster keep you seamlessly connected to the world. With features like wireless charging, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, the X-Trail embraces the future of in-car technology.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove.
Safety is a paramount concern, and the 2024 X-Trail excels in this aspect. Equipped with Nissan's latest ProPilot Assist technology, the SUV offers semi-autonomous driving capabilities, enhancing safety on the highway. The suite of advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert, further reinforces the X-Trail's commitment to passenger protection. The attention to detail extends beyond the driver's seat. The X-Trail's flexible cargo space ensures you have ample room for your gear, groceries, or anything else life throws your way. From the hands-free power liftgate to the configurable rear storage, this SUV adapts to your lifestyle seamlessly.
Time waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I
Embark
got
on a journey with the 2024 Nissan X-Trail, where cutting-edge technology meets unrivaled performance and style.
Watch our video to explore every facet of this high-tech flagship midsize SUV, and drop your comments below to share your excitement about the new X-Trail. Join us in celebrating innovation, adventure, and the thrill of the open road with the 2024 Nissan X-Trail, setting new standards in the world of midsize SUVs.